I saw a bird looking at me too.
Where?
Crazy.
Where?
That one with the big mouth and it's black and yellow. He just looked at me. And then he had my mouth at me and he said, "What?" I think that's my... That white one with the black and white.
Uh-huh. Look at that big one over there.
Where?
The brown one.
Big brown one?
There's another one on the hood.
On the hog.
Mm-hmm.
That bird was looking at me. Again.
He wants one of them Doritos that you're eating. You gonna give him one?
Yeah.
Let's see what happens if I can get him one.
Get him one. A little one. Get him a little one.
Alright.
This bird's like a little one.
Oh my gosh. He's gonna take my hand off. He's hungry. I think he'd fly right in here. Mm.
What?
They're hungry.
Nice window. Get the window up. I can't go in her house.
I think he would. I think they'd come right in here.
Am I crash on the window?
Yeah. I think they'd fly right in here.
You crash on that window?
Them poor things are hungry.
You know what? He's not going to say that.
He said, "Please give me a Dorito."
Why turn his head like that? Maybe try
This is how they stay warm. They tuck their head in.
Yeah, it's by his tail.
Do you see him?
Yeah.
He told the other one, "Get away. This is my truck with Doritos."
He has no feet.
Uh-huh.
You don't bite it?
Yeah.
Tail?
You gonna give him a Dorito?
No,
Go ahead, open the window and give him one.
no, I don't want him to fly in here.
Just open the window a little bit. And hold your hand out.
Oh, there's a bird behind your truck. The bird's on your truck.
Uh-huh.
Look, Daddy, look. He's standing on your truck. And
Uh-huh.
he's saying, "This is my truck."
Uh-huh.
And that one, too.
Give that bird one.
No, I
Why?
don't want him to fly in here.
Well, just open the window a little bit. Oh my gosh.
Daddy, don't do that. Get the window up. More up.
I think he'd fly right in here.
Take it up. Get up. Wait.
Are you scared of them birds?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Don't do that. He'll break the windshield.
Why you won't like that? I didn't feel him right far away.
Huh?
When I didn't feel my go away, then stop and then we might go fly back to his family. Do birds have families?
Yes.
Why?
Their mom and dad. Uh-huh.
And babies?
Yeah.
Why do birds have babies?
All animals have babies.
Lions?
Uh-oh, look at her. She's going to feed them. See that lady over there? Look at him. Look at her feeding those birds.
That bird's still in the truck. Look.
Uh-huh.
Take a picture. Oh, he got back over
Look
there.
at her feeding those birds.
Now see? What? Okay, Mom.
She's not scared of them, William.
But I am. I thought they were going to fly in there and hit our faces.
Is that right?
Smack them together, diseases.
Look how there's birds are just sitting there
And
waiting
then
for us.
people on our faces. Why are they sitting there? The white birds and they're black. They're like, these ones are the hat. He's teaching them.
Mhm. Look, he's got a big old bucket of food over there.
Oh, you can see the water tower. You see it? Blue?
Mhm.
Right beside the beach. I see a little airplane in it. Let's go that way. Let's go to the reef. And just stay there forever. I'll stay in there forever. Daddy, I just put my hand on the car. I did.
Oh yeah.
Yes, and I'm going to jump off and hurt your neck. Ow. Is she done feeding her? I want to feed them. I want to feed birds.
We didn't bring anything to feed them.
Why? Daddy, look, Daddy, there's a hole in the wall.
That's not the wall.
Why? The reef
Ceiling.
ceiling.
Roof is on the outside.
Whoa. Daddy, what? There's a hole. Look, there's a bird again.
I think he likes us.
Me too. I think he likes me too. You think he likes you?
Mhm. He's trying to eat the truck. Did you hear him?
He's driving him like his fly would.
I think he'd fly away if I drove.
Did he drive a little bit?
Hmm?
Did he drive a little bit?
You gotta get your seatbelt on. You hear him tucking at the truck? He's saying, "Hey, give me your Dorito."
Did he get one and don't let him fly in here? Stop.
He ain't gonna fly in here with him.
He likes it.
Did he eat it?
Let's see, some birds have been over there. Hey, there's a bird looking at me. That's right. Daddy, come here. You want to stick your head?
Hey, they're on the roof.
What?
I hear them on the roof.
Get out.
That one's only got one leg. Over there. Over there. He's only got one leg, that little poor bird.
Why?
I don't know.
Do some birds have not one leg?
Well, I've heard in the past, people say that fish, when they're swimming in the water, sometimes fish will bite their foot off.
And they still be alive?
Mm-hmm.
How can he stand up with one foot?
Look at him, he's doing it. Oh.
He has two and this one over there.
Mm-hmm.
Look at down here, he doesn't have legs. See?
Mm-hmm. He's sitting down.
Why he doesn't have legs? Why he don't have legs?
He's trying to keep warm.
Does he have legs?
Yeah.
Under him?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that bird over there having one leg.
Mm-hmm.
The down's in down too. Hey,
Look, these are fighting.
They all of them are going to sit down and they're going to teach. He